today we're going to be doing commission. It's week 20. Your homework is the back. You're going to have a quiz on Friday. Okay? Quiz. Everything's going to be on your quiz. Discount, tax, tip, markup, and what I'm going to teach you today, commission. Okay? Tomorrow you're going to do a little review. Now look on my calendar, I already have Dreambox 5 lessons is due on Sunday. Right now, all of your classwork is set to close on February 16th. So assignments will close on February 16th. So in about a month, all of your assignments will close. Last semester, they didn't close until late. So January assignments will all close in February. So keep that in mind for those of you who are falling behind. Snap out of it. All right, commission. So let's do commission. Does anybody know what commission is?
It's where you go up to some, it's like if you're like going to like the mall, like the mattress store, they'll come up to you and they'll try and get you
By what? You're very close, very close. Okay, so commission is extra money that someone earns for selling you things. Some of your parents might earn commission. Some of your parents might have had a job in their past that earns commission. When I was in high school, I earned commission. So, commission is the name of the game. So our iPads are off right now. Maybe you can go back to that lesson after this, All right, commission is extra money you earn as an employee. It's not a tip. A tip, the customer gives you extra money. Commission, the company gives you extra money. So the more that you sell, the more commission you earn. So a mattress company, if you sell 5 mattresses, they might give you an extra commission. For example, if I work at Nike, that would be awesome, employee discount. If I work at Nike and I sold 100 shoes over the weekend, they might give me an extra $100 in my paycheck. So if they're going to give me $100 extra, am I motivated to sell shoes? Yeah, I am. Have you ever been to the store where they're really nice to you and they're like, oh, let me open a dressing room for you? And then when you go to pay, they'll go, hi, was anybody helping you today? Have you ever been in that situation where they ask you, did anybody help you today? And you're like, oh yeah, it was this girl. She had really long hair. And they're like, oh yeah, it was Sophie. And they start typing. You know why they do that? Because to get points, that person is going to earn commission. That person who helped you, who you're like, yeah, that girl with the really, really long hair. That girl, we'll call her Sophie, is going to earn commission. So they type it in. Oh, Sophie was helping that person. And they earn extra money for that. So I had a job like that in high school. And sometimes I earned more money in commission than I did my hourly. So I was really motivated to do that. People who work at Macy's earn commission. Nordstrom's earns commission. Shoe departments usually earn commission. Now there's some stores that don't earn any commission. So they're not very super helpful. I don't think Apple earns commission because it's just so busy. Everybody sells there. Anywhere else outside of the mall that you would think earns commission? There are 2 places that also earn commission outside of the mall. Restaurant people do not earn commission. They earn tips. Yes? Yes, they try to sell you things. Yes. Hi, yeah. Extended warranty. Mm-hmm. Yeah. They earn commission. If you sign up for something, they earn commission. Exactly. People who sell cars earn commission. So every time they sell a car, they get part of that sale as extra money. And the one that earns a lot of commission are the people who sell houses. So the person, if you've ever driven by your neighborhood and it says for sale sign, and it has someone's name on it and someone's phone number, that person, if they sell that house, they earn commission. A lot of commission. Imagine, Carmen, Imagine selling a house and earning commission. An extra money. Mucho dinero. All right. Now, commission is just one step. Take how much you sold. So did I sell $100 shoes? Did I sell $5,000 worth of shoes? And multiply it by your percent written as a decimal. Okay. So, isn't our first step the same always? Haven't we already always started with multiplication and writing as a decimal? So for tax, for tip, for markup, they all started with the same step, multiply. And then your second step is to either add or subtract, right? Add or subtract. For commission, this is the hardest part of commission. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to write one thing. This will give you your commission amount. How much commission did you earn? Did you earn $1,000? Did you earn $100? Commission only one step. There is no adding or subtracting. Okay? So for commission, do not add or subtract. That's a mistake kids do. They're like, oh, yes, what's my second step? Add, subtract. Like, no. Tax, tip, markup do have two steps. You either have to add or you have to subtract. For commission, only one step. So that's pretty easy. I only do one step. I can do that. The hard part is remembering it's only one step. Only. All right. We're gonna need some more. Go ahead and take what we need for your team. All right. So let's do one problem. Carmen sold a $750,000 house. For $750,000, it's a pretty small house.
Oh my God, Carmen.
I know, she's a real estate agent. She earns a 3% commission. True story, they do earn 3%. Sorry, I don't know what happened to my M. So commission. How much commission did she earn? Did she earn? Okay. How much commission did she earn? Carmen sold a $750,000 house. She earns a 3% commission. How much commission did she earn? All right. So, real estate agents do earn 3% commission on all the houses. So, what is 3% written as a decimal?
0.08. I meant 0.03.
Yeah. Don't forget that zero. Some of you are still making those mistakes. So, $750,000 times 0.03 times 0.03. Since I'm going to be absent tomorrow, I'm not going to collect your homework until Wednesday. Okay? So you'll turn in 2 on Wednesday. All right. Type it in carefully. Check that you typed in the right numbers. Aaron is out. Zoe, Yvette, So how much money is this? Mm-hmm. So if I type this in on the calculator, you should get $22,500 in commission. So Carmen's gonna earn $22,000 just for selling this house. $22,500. Now, is Carmen selling a house every single day? No. Sometimes we see those for sale signs around the neighborhood for like a couple weeks, maybe a couple months, right? But every time she sells one, boom, $22,000 as extra money. So is she motivated to sell those houses? Yeah, she is. It's a true story. I mean, not Carmen, but it's true. I'm sure there's a Carmen in the world selling houses, right? Is $750,000 the price of a house? Yeah, they're actually more expensive than that. Yes. I'm sure you can use the restroom. What's the right question to ask me?
May I use the restroom?
Yes. When I'm done teaching. Can you hold it for 5? Can you hold it for 5?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me finish. I got 2 more examples. Set timer for 5 minutes. All right. What's up?
May I use the restroom after him?
Yeah, but y'all know you gotta say for nutrition, right? Y'all know. Okay. Jacob sold a $65,000 super cool fast car. You know Miss Lamelli super fast cool car? He sold it to me. So Jacob sold a $65,000 super cool fast car. He earns 7% commission. So every time they sell a car, they make money. So are they motivated to sell you a car? Yes. Are they motivated to treat you really well? Yes. All right. So Jacob sold a $65,000 car. He earned 7%. How do I write 7% as a decimal?
0.07.
Yep, so make sure we type that into the calculator. All right, type it into the calculator. And it's only one step we're doing today. There's no adding. There's no subtracting. So what is $65,000 times 0.0 times 0.07? I see, voila. So how much extra money is he earning? $4,550 in commission. This is on top of what he's already earning per hour. So he's already working, earning per hour. So if he sells a car, he makes an extra $4,000. That can pay for rent. Yeah. I don't really know how much they earn, honestly. I'm taking a guess on 7%. But can a car cost $65,000? Yes, 100%. I just don't know what the percent is for a car dealership dude. If you know anyone in your family, ask them, like, hey, my math teacher is really curious. What percent in commission do you earn? I know for a real estate agent, it is 3%. It's written in the contract, 3%. That I do know. All right, uno más. Pretty easy, right? Commission's the easiest one. Juan works at Nike, and he will give Miss Amelia the employee discount. Thank you very much, Juan. Works at Nike and earns, let's say, 12% commission. How much do you think Juan sold in shoes? How much money did Juan sell in shoes? Each shoe is about anywhere between $80 and $200 for Nike. Some are cheaper, some are more expensive. Let's say he sold, okay, he sold, let's say, just over 1,000. He sold $1,250 in shoes. December. You know, everybody's buying shoes for the holidays. So how much commission did Juan make? So we're going to take 12% and write it as a decimal. What's 12% written as a decimal? 0.12, right? So I'm going to type in $1,250 and multiply it by 0.12. 1,250 multiplied by 0.12. How much money? All right, so Juan makes 150 in commission. It's good money. Imagine if Juan's a high school kid and after school he works at Nike. He's going to get paid an extra $150 as a high school student. Is that a lot of money for a high school student?
Yes.
Yeah. Plus, Juan is earning his hourly. So he's already getting a paycheck for working 4 hours after school. And then as an extra, Nike's going to give him $150 as like a thank you. Motivate Juan to sell more shoes. That's how retail works. Okay, so next time you're at a store and they say, who is helping you today? Know that person's earning commission. For the most part. Not everybody. I think Sephora asked me the other day. But you know. Alright. Alright, I'll do the first one with you. Remember, you have to show work, even though you're using a calculator. Or not. Jeez. The worker earns 18% commission on all the products that he sells. For the month of February, he sold $3,000. How much commission did he earn? So, 3,000 times 0.18. So I'm showing my work. I take my calculator. I tell you what numbers to plug in. 3,000 times 0.18. And that gives me 540. Okay? So we're showing our work. Okay? So just one step. There's no adding. There's no subtracting. It's just one step. All right, we're doing front and back and uploading. Let me publish it now. Let me just